Coming from the bottom, going to the top. I'm going to the top. I'm going to the top. Yeah, I'm going to the painting on my fibers that what greatest requires. I gotta show them that I'm a fighter. That's a traitor for survivor. I gotta, they wanna out my flame, they add it more to the fire. I gotta show them how I get inspired. I'm hungry inside like a tiger. I gotta, never gonna give it to my fan. Even if they never me so bad, gotta make it to the top. Climb out of hell, try to knock me down and I knew they wouldn't dare.
Good morning mga master. Andito tayo sa Mabini, Batangas. Jigging gaming naman tayo. Pahinga muna tayo sa broadcasting natin sa Tansa. Larga muna tayo dito, jigging. Kasama natin sila Ashwal Alves, Glenn, Sian, Michael. Subo kami dito. Dito kami naman. Pating na dito, pating. Yun po, kung nakikita yung kabilang isla na yun, yun po yung Tingloy Port. Ay, Tingloy ba to? Yung sa Masasa. Kalma nga.
Aling Enes, pre. Sana, na-highlight ko lang yung kay Love. Pag marami tayo. Oo, nakakabwisit naman talaga doon. Pero pag ano, yung banding lang. Kasi nakikita mo parang fishing habit naman doon. Di ba yung relax ka lang. Yung tingin naman. Doon na kami sa practice. Tamang kipik lang. Daming kipik doon yun. Daming banak doon. Dami. Pati ano? Yung wala yung gustong mahuli doon yung mango. Yung tropa ko nakachamba namin, nakachamba ng ano. Tuwa kami. Ng mga agat doon. Yan, dito na rin. Hindi naman. Siguro mga 400 lang. Wala pa nga siguro. Pero para sa atin ba? Ba't malaki yun na sa kwento eh? Malaki. Wala eh. Kwento na lang naman. 400 kg. Okay ito. 400 kg. Naka-warm up na daw, sabi nila kuya daw.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I want you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.
Basta dubaan yan.
I'll never let you go. 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 I'll never let you go.
Yun na. Sabit. Sabit? Oo. Bato.
Ano, pwede ba bumili dyan?
Tama. Paninda.
Ano natin yan?
Paninda.
Sabit, boss?
Sabit. Aray. Ha? Sabit. Kala ko isda eh. Hindi, may ano. Ha? Sabit? Good morning. Time check. Alas 9 na po ng umaga. Nananatili pa rin kaming zero. Guys, wala pa rin kaming huli. Nakapag-donate na tayo ng 1 gig. Sana pala rin. Makasama natin to, nag-trolling sila. Si Master Glenn, ang pinaka-pogi.
Yeah, okay bang yan?
Alam nyo guys, hindi namin ramdam na zero kami. Isipin mo pa ba'y walang huli pero ganito ang ganda ng view makikita mo. Diba? Bonus na lang talaga ang huli pag ganito yung pupunta mong spot. Update kami, papunta kami sa aming third spot.
Sumarto sa ilalim mo.
Anda?
Ayun siya yung wala rin dito.
Ganito ba, Bre? Tama ba? Ako mali? Hindi, dito ba dapat yan? Hindi, ano yun? Dito. May taga-din. Kala ko, ano.
Good afternoon guys. Update, huli check. Pumaldo kami sa yellow at pagkain. Wala eh.
Balik lang.
Kahit anong gawin namin, wala talaga. Maganda yung spot pero madalang. Strike lang. Nakadali sa amin isa, Lapu-Lapu. Update ulit mamaya.
So, sama ka ba 15-16?
Ha?
Sama ka ba doon?
Oo. Kahit palayasin ako ni Mrs.
Sama mo.
May hindi ako natatakot sa'yo. Huwag mo lang panoorin to.
Pero siguro, mga ilang baba lang to papunta.
Yun! Pisyo na! Pisyo na!
Yun nga.
Oo.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
Will you assist me? Awang mo ta.
Sakto, ano? Anong isa?
Hindi ko pa alam. Parang lapo. Woohoo!
Ano?
Woohoo! Dalawa!
Let's go!
Woohoo!
Pre, dapat mo dito, pre. Isa.
Uy, isa.
Coral trout ba? Oo. Wala ano eh. Wala mga paugat-ugat.
Huwag ka na mangagat. Nangangagat ka pa eh.
Let's go.
Anak!
Ilaw.
Kilaw! Woohoo!
Ilan ba yan?
Guys,
Tatlo?
dalawa pa. Kuha pa ako. Yabang ngayon. Kala mo pinatago eh.
Sa BG.
Ay, puta. Parang nawala.
Meron. Siyempre. Puta pre.
Parang nawala.
Monchong.
Ay, nawala pre. Ayun, bumitaw yun oh. Bumitaw. Ayun oh, namumuti oh. Sayang.
Basically pre, asishook lang talaga siya. Ano yung... Sa akin yan pre, line ko yan.
Ay, line mo? Ah, sige. Tanggal natin.
Sarap yan, mga sinigang.
Rare catch. Uy, putang sarap kilaw nun.
Ano yun? Trumpet? Trumpet?
Oo, trumpet fish.
Nakawala?
Oo.
Lagyan.
Meron pala yun habang ano sa'yo. Sayang. Sarap eh ano nun, kilaw.
Oo, sarap lang ano. Kasi sa pula?
Ha?
Hindi.
Pula.
Pareho lang siguro.
I'm headed down one direction, tunnel vision, winning season, no distractions, hard grinding, thirst quenching, pure passion, all action, no slacking, won't settle for satisfaction. I'm not the plug, anybody that get to asking, I'm the vice, addiction is the reaction, one shot, plan plot and then we smashing, won't stop, won't lose, no subtraction. Feeling that my system got me way up. I used to be down, but then I came up. Time to blast off, no limit. I know you're wild women, let's get. Cause I got your feel good, feel good. Tell me what you need. I got your fix, you get that from me. You get that from me, you get that from me. I got your fix, you get that from me. I got your feel good, tell me what you need. I got your fix, you get that from me. You get that from me. I got your fix, you get that from me. Knick-knack, get that. We want all the sacks. We want all the stacks. We want the quarterback. Yeah, since we talking about change, well let me hit that ass with a little free game. It ain't over till we win, and we make it past the rain. But still even then, we be the ones to blame for all this realness. They can't be taken cause they come with a kill swing. The building, feeling that my system got me way up. I used to be down until I came up. Time to blast off, no limit. I know you're wild women, let's get. Cause I got your feel good, feel good. Tell me what you need. I got your fix, you get that from me. You get that from me, you get that from me. I got your fix, you get that from me. I got your feel good, tell me what you need. I got your fix, you get that from me. You get that from me, you get that from me. I got your fix, you get that from me.
Sampay!
Tanggalangan to. Balik ka tumutulog. Masakit yan ano.
Ay, ganso!